This is a budget of the people and for the people. It is a budget that considers the needs of the people of Machakos. It is a budget that balances 50-50 between recurrent expenditure and development expenditure. We know all the other budgets, including the national budget, have nearly 70% recurrent and 30% development. We have decided that the Machakos budget will be a budget of development. And we want to be the first ones to receive our money so that our people can be the first ones to benefit without any delay. We want to focus on areas of need: water, wealth creation, road development, health. We promise to buy ambulances, and we are going to do so. We promise to have police vehicles, we are going to do so. We promise to have institutions and ways of making sure our youth get money for business. We are going to do so with this budget. It envisions that we are going to be secure in terms of our security. So CCTV, police vehicles, buildings to supplement for police housing, to make sure that our people can actually walk around safe. It is a budget of the people.